Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming your iPad runs the required iPad OS and the app supports stickers. This avoids surprises later. Once done, open Messages or Notes and tap the sticker's icon in the app bar so the picker appears. Make sure you have the sticker pack downloaded or the image in Files. This is the immediate source you'll drag from. If you use Apple Pencil, position it, otherwise use Touch, so you can place stickers precisely as you begin adding them to your content. Choose a sticker pack and swipe through the thumbnails until you find the one you want. Animated stickers may preview automatically. Tap a sticker to drop it, or press and drag directly onto your message, photo, or note to control placement. Once placed, use pinch to resize and 2 fingers to rotate. Some apps let you tap for opacity or layering controls so stickers sit naturally. Make sure to nudge stickers with small gestures to align them with existing elements for a polished look. Finish by grouping or locking stickers when the app supports it so they don't shift later, then save or send your file. If you change your mind, use undo or tap a sticker and choose delete and then reapply adjustments as needed. If a sticker refuses to place, make sure the pack is installed, the app has file permissions, and restart the app. Re-downloading the pack or rebooting the iPad resolves most glitches. Lastly, double-check export settings so stickers appear in the final.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.